Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to impress your parents. Let's face it, it's every kid's dream to impress their parents, and I'm going to be going over 4 simple things that you can do to really put a smile on your parents' faces. Let's get right to it. Number 1, and the most important one on this list, is to be responsible. Now, for most kids, their responsibilities will include doing their homework, attending school, whether it's elementary school, high school, college, or university, or any other sort of school, keeping up with their household chores, possibly going to a part-time job, arriving on time, and any extracurricular things you have, like any sports, any arts, anything like that. Now, your parents want you to be responsible because they know that sooner or later, they're going to have to send you off. You're going to be living on your own. You're going to be doing things on your own. They're not really going to be taking care of you with a hands-on basis anymore. And they want to know, they want to have peace of mind that when the time comes that you are sent off to live your life, that you'll be okay. And the only way that you'll be okay is if you're responsible. If you're irresponsible, your parents are going to be worried that you're going to lose your job, okay? That you're going to fail out of school. But if you're responsible, your parents can have peace of mind that you'll be okay. And that's every parent's goal. So number 1 is to be responsible. Number 2 is to be respectful. Now, this means being respectful by choice. Some people are respectful to certain authority figures because they have to be, because that figure is above them, whether it's a manager or a boss or anybody that is above them. Now, to be respectful by choice is to say, even though you're above me, I will be respectful nicely, behind your back, in front of your face all the time, because I'm respectful by choice. And if you're below me or parallel with me, meaning if you're younger than me, if I'm your manager or anything like that, I'm still going to be respectful to you. So it's about being respectful to everybody, because at the end of the day, you give what you get and you get what you give. So what that means is that if you're respectful to everybody, your parents will be in the peace of mind that they will know that people will be respectful back to you. If you are disrespectful to people, you're not going to get any respect, because respect is earned. It's not just given, okay? So with that being said, you have to earn it by being respectful to other people. Number 3 on this list is to have a good use of your time, okay? Now, one of the things that parents want to see is they want to see their kids using their time effectively. Now, that's usually a skill that that we gain as we get older, meaning as kids, oftentimes we won't use our time really well, okay? We won't be super smart about how we use our time. But as we become older and as we become parents ourselves, we start to use our time really, really well. So with that being said, your parents want to see you be an early adapter of that skill of using your time effectively. So that doesn't mean that you can't have fun and relax. It just means that you have to prioritize. So maybe only watch TV once you've done your homework. It means don't call in sick for work to go and party with your friends, okay? It means all of those things. Use your time effectively, aka prioritize your time properly. That will truly impress your parents, because that is a skill that not many kids gain until an older age. If you can gain it earlier than average, your parents will be super impressed and absolutely happy with you. Number 4 on this list is to do things before they have to ask you to do things. Now, it is a parent's job to teach their child to do things and to ask their child to do the important things. Things like washing the dishes, vacuuming the house. And it's important that your parents, that you know that your parents have asked you to do it, to teach you how to do it. But there's got to be a time in your life as a child in which you make the decision yourself to do those things, as opposed to waiting for your parents to ask you. So with that being said, if you can start doing things yourselves, even if it's something so small, like just wiping the counter after you're done eating, cleaning your room once a week. If you can do things before your parents have to ask you, they will truly be super impressed, because once again, that's a skill that not many children have until they sort of transition into living on their own and becoming adults, okay? If you can be an early adapter of that, if you can sort of adapt to it early, then what's gonna happen is that you're gonna impress your parents. You're gonna put a smile on your parents' faces, and they're gonna be absolutely impressed with the fact that you are learning how to do this earlier than average, that you are doing things for yourself without being told. And that's basically it. In this video, I have told you how to impress your parents. I've outlined 4 simple things that you can do to impress your parents. If you do these things, I was just saying thank you to the person behind me for letting me in the lane. Sorry about that. If you do these things, your parents will be smiling, they will be impressed, they will have peace of mind, and they will absolutely feel comfortable for the future of you living on your own. And that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.